The ice chip team is multi-university, multi-agency, several government groups. It's funded by the National Science Foundation. So there's, I think, 70 different people, probably dozens of different trucks and pieces of equipment that all have to coordinate together to study these storms. Our team is going to be flying a drone in behind the storm to map how the hail falls. The goal is to study hail formation and the characteristics of hail coming out of thunderstorms.
It's a fixed-wing drone that we use to capture meteorological data. In this project, we're being used to capture the characteristics of the hail swath behind the storm, try to understand the distribution of hailstones, the shapes. I can immediately see sort of the consequences of the work that we do. We get to go out here in the field, collect data for people who need it, and try to better improve our understanding of these processes.
Our drones go in and make in-situ measurements, so measurements right where the drone is located to combine with the standoff measurements that are made by radar. Their lives and property are sometimes at risk from weather. The more we can learn, the more we can, as engineers, work with the scientists together to figure out models, to develop data that can tune these models, to have a better understanding of how these storms form, how they work, and how they destroy things. And so that we can work with other engineers to design better systems, better infrastructure and systems, houses that can withstand some of the winds and hail and things that nature deals out. At the end of the day, it is about saving lives and saving property.